Hey, hello? Hey, is this the ambulance? What? Hey man, look, it's a girl out here right now riding the bike on one wheel.
What the fuck?
It just fell and bust her head open.
Okay.
I don't know what she thinking. I was just looking outside because I'm not waiting on my side piece to come at all.
What? You big cold-blooded dummy.
And I just happened to see her in the street
What?
riding a bike. And she was trying to do tricks on it, but she's not very good at it.
No shit, Sherlock.
All I know is she may be hurt, and if there's reward, I don't want to take it, but I will.
Like some bullshit to
Hurry
me.
up, come out here because this don't look good. She says she's okay, but her neck is right there where her arm used to be, and I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm just a concerned Samaritan, okay?